You have probably seen Dale Chihuly's art during your travels around the world, like the Bellagio lobby, the beautiful glass there, and also places like if you've ever been to the Maker's Mark distillery in Kentucky, they also have quite a bit of Dale Chihuly's art. And you can find his glass art all over the world and in multiple museums. But in this video, we are going to talk about his the museum in Seattle, Washington. So, Dale Chihuly, he makes wonderful glass art, has been doing it since the 60s. And right in the Seattle center, just right next to the Space Needle, you have Dale Chihuly's Garden and Glass exhibit. That is a beautiful place to walk through, and it tells the history of what influenced him and shows many different works of his art. You can combine this with a ticket to the Space Needle and other areas. So that's what we did is we went up to the top of the Space Needle and visited the wonderful Chihuly Garden and Glass. So in there you can see things that would remind you once again of the Bellagio and other pieces of art. You have things that look like a undersea landscape. And then you have, the other areas that of their art, like in a big gallery area. There's also an area that teaches you how glass art is made. So a stage that's there. And then you can walk through the beautiful outdoor garden that is full of all kinds of interesting colors and is mixed in with the different plants that are out there. So it's a wonderful museum and very well worth visiting when you're in Seattle, Washington, and it's steps away from the Museum of Pop Culture and the Space Needle. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content, and contact us at ET Family Travel to book your next adventure.